Good morning to everyone. Now let us see about Unit 1 in Cognitive Radio. What is software defined radio? Radio can be totally configured or defined by the software so that a common platform can be used across number of areas. There is also the possibility that it can be reconfigured as upgrades to standards. So this is a range of the radio waves. Let us consider it from 3 kHz to 300 GHz. So what is a radio wave? So it is a series of repeating peaks and valleys. So the entire pattern is like a wave. Radio wave is generated by a transmitter and then detected by the receiver. So an antenna allows a radio transmitter to send energy and then to receive energy from the space. So the transmitter and the receiver are typically designed to operate over the limited range of frequencies. Okay, in general, the software defined radio in which the radio signals in which some or all the physical layer functions are software defined. Okay, so they are software defined. So, what is software defined? Refers to the use of software processing within the radio system or the device to implement the operating functions. So, the software for this definition refers to modifiable instructions executed by a programmable processing device. So, software defined radio, that is the SDR, refers to technologies wherein the functionalities are performed by software modules. The characteristics of radio, such as coding, modulation type, frequency band, can be changed at will simply by loading a new software. Multiple radio devices using different modulations can be replaced by a single radio device. So SDR currently used to build radios that support multiple interface technologies such as CDMA, GSM, Wi-Fi with a single modem by configuring it in the software. Now, what is this cognitive radio? The mental action or the process of acquiring knowledge and understanding through thought, experience, and the senses. So, this is cognition. So, cognitive radio may be defined as a radio that is aware of its environment and the internal state, and with knowledge of these elements and any stored predefined objectives can make and implement decisions about its behavior. So, this cognitive radio utilizes SDR, software defined radio, adaptive radio, and other technologies to automatically adjust its behavior or operations to achieve desired objectives. A person called Hyken defines software radio as a radio capable of being aware of its surroundings, learnings, and adaptively changing its operating parameters in real time with the objective of providing reliable, anytime, anywhere, and spectrally efficient communication. According to the US Federal Communications Commission, it defined that cognitive radio that can change its transmitter parameters based on interaction with the environment in which it operates. So the main characteristics of cognitive radio is reconfigurability, intelligent adaptive behavior. So the cognitive radio functionality requires the following capabilities. It should be flexible and agility. So ability to change the waveform and other radio operating parameters. It is reconfigurable. Agility, that is the ability to think quickly. Sensing, observe and measure the state of the environment including spectral occupancy. Learning and adaptability, analyze sensory input, recognize the pattern, modify internal operational behavior. Thank you.